I believe that in the coming years, you must be using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data to generate leads for your business. And it's one of the things that I'm talking about in my 3.5-hour Get Leads masterclass. But let me just go on a bit of a rant and see if you're picking up what I'm putting down here. Essentially, you've got Facebook and Google, primarily, to some degree Twitter as well, that have developed social plumbing, if you like, connecting every single person in this weird ecosphere, unlike anything we've experienced before. Now, I'm not telling you anything you don't know, but what a lot of people seem to not get is that where they make their money is by connecting you to stuff that you're going to pay attention to. Specifically, it starts to learn what you like to pay attention to, what you value. And so, for example, if you enjoy my content and you have watched any of the videos or the stuff we've put out, Facebook learns that you like content like that, and it will find more stuff like that. And so you end up in this little echo chamber. Now, that's not necessarily bad if you approach that with a lot of intention, but what I think small business owners don't get is the ability to leverage that to train Facebook and Google to go out and help you find more of your ideal customers. The lead gen formula that we use, if you like, is ACDC. Stands for ads, content, data, and call to action. They're the four big things that most people suck at that are also struggling to generate leads. If I talk to people and say ads, and they're like, yeah, got ads down, content's down, they're good at collecting data and re-leveraging that data through making better ads and better content, and they've got clear calls to action on a regular basis that allows people to get involved in stuff, they don't have a leads issue. Now, the main thing that I think about leads, I think about time freedom, because lead generation is such a problem to solve if you're not leveraging media and if you're not leveraging technology, because all you've got left is time. And it's either your time or a salesperson's time or a business development person's time. And these principles of ACDC that I go through in the 3.5-hour workshop, showing you how to leverage these algorithms, showing you how to create the content that these algorithms really like, it applies whether you're a small business, a big business, B2B, B2C. The principles are the same. Ultimately, it's people that are making decisions, and these algorithms, these systems, these networks have the ability to help you identify your ideal customer, whether they're a stay-at-home mum or whether they're the CFO of a large ASX 200 company, whether they are a local hairdresser or whether they are an international finance expert. Like, your ability to train these algorithms by presenting them with the right type of content and the right type of targeting has the ability to allow you to develop an automated sales and marketing machine that once and for all liberates you from what is often one of the most anxiety-inducing components of business, which is lead generation. I think of Apollo 13 when they're up on that little spaceship and the oxygen scrubbers or the car CO2 scrubbers stop working and all of a sudden they're going to run out of air. That's what it feels like in business to not have that steady flow of leads. It's like your oxygen pump. And so if you're hearing this and you're feeling that you haven't put the type of time, energy, and effort into your oxygen pump, in terms of making sure that pump executes consistently and reliably, month in, month out, quarter in, quarter out, and then I'm going to encourage you to come along to my 3.5-hour masterclass. We put this together for our inner circle of clients, but I have a limited number of tickets that I've made available for the wider small business community. I fundamentally believe that building a successful business and employing as many people as you can is one of the most patriotic things you could do right now, pretty much whatever country you're in. And I think most people are open to the idea of wanting to hire people, wanting to bring people on that can help you achieve your mission. We say you can't make a dent on your own. But what stops people doing that is that they're not oversubscribed with the inbound opportunity, with that confidence in the long-term capacity to build up their capability. And so If you like the idea of generating more leads, even if you're not interested in hiring more team, but you just want to generate more leads for what you're currently doing, check out the Get Leads Masterclass we've got coming up. I'm going to show you how to put together an end of year campaign built around ads, content, data, and calls to action. But like I said, it is only limited to the first 50 non-KPI clients that want to register. You're going to get access to tens of thousands of dollars worth of insights and information, tools, checklists, and principles that we give to our inner circle clients, and you're going to get all that for less than a couple of $100. So if you're picking up what we're putting down, check it out and set yourself up to make more leads in this last month of the year than you have in the previous 6 months combined. This isn't our first rodeo. It's a proven system, and that it's one that could change your business and your life for good. All you got to do, be brave, have fun. Let's go make a dent in the universe.